Now this one is finished, but obviously I made a mistake here. But when you make mistakes in the F and B stitches, it is very easy to fix. It is more difficult when if you do wrong diagonals, so please check with the chart after every row. But this one, I missed this one, and I will now show you how to fix it. I will fix it with a little needle and yarn. So first let me just weave my end in, like this. Like that. Okay. Now I will make like an 8 over this stitch, this green stitch with the white color. So let me start in this upper left corner and let me go down here into the stitch like this, and on top again into the stitch like this. So now we have kind of an 8. Now I will take my needle under the 2 here, like this, and one more under here, like that, and then go back and now you've actually fixed it. Okay, so now it looks like the other one.